Hey everybody, this is day 12, dose 23. I took a nap, got up at 4 in the morning, and been working on the CNC ever since. And now I've been uploading videos for the last 2 hours. So anyway, I have no idea what I weighed. I haven't gotten on the scale. I haven't slept enough to, you're supposed to weigh yourself right when you wake up. And I didn't do that, so I'm just gonna skip the weigh part today, and because I know I'm losing weight, I ain't worried about it. So anyway, I'm gonna take dose 23, and dose 30 is it for this this phase. Then I'll go on to phase 3. So anyway, got a lot to do today, and I'll get this video done, get it uploaded. Then I'll be done till tonight. Luckily, I don't have to go to work today, and I can hopefully get a lot of stuff done. So this is dose 23. And all right, so dose 23 done. I may need to go get a haircut today and see what happens. But anyway, it's dose 23, and I will see you guys tonight for dose 24. So I'll be back.